Here's a unique Christmas tree. What's unique about it? Well, it's got living ornaments. Living Christmas tree decorations. Can you see what they are? Yeah, you can see some movement. And you heard a little beep there. Little chirp. This is our living ornament Christmas tree. There they are. It's got birds living in the Christmas tree. Budgies, parrots, parakeets. Only one negative about having living ornaments is that they tend to want to destroy. Oh, in shredding, stripping the branches. This one's been completely stripped. That one's been stripped. No, now it's stripping that one. That's the blue one. Blue one stripping, whilst the green one just tastes and likes to sing its song. Usually it sits on its perch here and it sings a little Christmas song. Usually when it's on its own. When the blue one's around, then it plays follow the leader. The blue's the leader, female, and the male's the follower, green Budgie. Are you going to sing a little Christmas song? Christmas carol? Hymn? What are you going to sing for us, green Budgie? Get onto your perch. That's it. Now sing us a song. Come on. Now. Anyway, that's our living ornament Christmas tree 2020. Let's see how much of the tree's left once the budgies are finished with it. There you go. No good singing up there. You're the king of the hill. Come back here. What are you singing up there for? Go on. Go on. Go back. Go on. Fly to the tree. Good, Budgie. Nearly. Not quite. Go onto the cage. Yeah, let me help you. Come on. You want to fly? No. Eager to fly. Look, every time. There it goes. Now come on, sing us a song. Sing us a Christmas carol. Come on. No. Why were you singing up there, not down here? Sing us a song. Everybody's waiting. That's it. Get going. No, not today. Christmas. Yes. Got it, little. Anyway, that's the Christmas tree with live Christmas decorations on it.